observe in aryl ether, or you can say allyl phenyl ether. Generally, you are getting ortho product, but whenever ortho position is blocked, then reaction may take place at para position. And this reaction is thermally allowed. Allyl group gets migrate from oxygen to ortho position. Terminal carbon, which will join at ortho position, rearrangement take place. Double bonded carbon is converted to single bonded, and single bonded carbon may converted to double bonded. So this is called orthoallyl phenol. Now, what you can do, see, once reaction take place single time, so original carbon which is attached to oxygen may goes to terminal, and terminal carbon is joined at the oxygen. But in such molecules, whenever you are having two substitute at two different ortho position, whenever ortho position is going to block, at that time what happens? Where reaction is take place? So see, reaction may take place at para position, but see, same carbon is joined at para position. The same carbon is joined here because reaction take place even time, two times. Whenever reaction take place even times, then always original carbon is joined with the ring, and reaction take place all the time, then definitely terminal carbon which will join. In order to see understand this, you can have a mechanism. Always first time reaction take place at ortho position. See, look at here. This is oxygen, CH2, double bond CH, double bond CH2. Here alkyl group is there. Here also alkyl group. So this carbon comes to here. Okay, this double bond comes to here, and bond between 3 and 4 will going to break, and new bond is formed here in this way. So this is the first time rearrangement. So whenever reaction take place at first time, then it should be give you ortho product. The CH2 star comes to here, CH double bond CH2. But there is no hydrogen over here for phenol formation, You cannot do tautomerism here. Tautomerism does not take place. There is no hydrogen here. Look at here. So therefore, what you can do, see, you can do second time this reaction. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now reaction take place at para position. Bond between 3 and 4 will going to break. This terminal carbon joint here. This bond comes to here. So original carbon, see, now coming to the ring. And here definitely hydrogen is available for phenol formation. Here CH2 double bond CH. Now double bond gets converted to single bond. Double bond CH2 star. Now you can do tautomerism, re-aromatization. So you may got this product. So see, this is the mechanism. But important things over here is a reaction take place two times. So this original carbon is comes to here. Whenever reaction take place even time, then original carbon comes to the ring, and whenever it take place odd time, then you can have a terminal carbon. Terminal carbon joined to the ring. So this is very, very important. Another possibility is reaction to take place in the side chain. Same reactions is sometimes may take place in side chain. Suppose, look at here. Ortho position is blocked by this group CH double bond. There is allyl group. There is no hydrogen here. So there is no hydrogen at ortho position. Now, whenever you can heat it, so it will give you 3,3 sigma tropic collision reaction. So in this case, what happens? First time reaction always take place at which position? First time it take place at ortho position in this way. See. So it's a 3,3 sigma tropic. Terminal carbon is joined with the ring. CH2 side chain as it is. This carbon is joined here, CH2. Now double bond is converted to single bond and new double bond is formed here. Now what is next step? This is first step, but there is no proton for aromatization. So what we will do next?
Second time.
Where it is take place?
Para position.
Para position. But see, before look, go to para position, see here 1,5-diene is there. Look at here. 1,5-diene is there. So bond between 3 and 4 is break. New bond is formed between 1 and 6. And અહીંયા proton available છે જ 5 number પર. આ કેસમાં અહીંયા see there is no proton at position number 6. અહીંયા proton નથી. And therefore aromatization does not take place. But here proton is available, so reaction may take place in the side chain first. Now the star carbon comes to here. 3 and 4 bond will going to break. Here double bond is formed, CH2. Now double bond gets converted to single bond. Which is attached to CH3 and અહીંયા કયું ગ્રુપ લાગશે CH ઉપર number 6 પર. Which group is comes at number 6? બોલો જે ગ્રુપ નું નામ. CH2 star double bond આવી જશે. Now see here at position number 6 proton is there. Look at here at position number 6 already one proton is there. So you can have a C tautomerism. यहाँ proton છે 6 number પર proton હોવો જોઈએ છે અહીંયા. So you can have a protomerism in this way tautomerism. So ultimately see proton is replaced by, you can say, allyl group. But very important things over here is reaction take place 2 times. So you are getting product with original carbon which is attached to oxygen is joined here. So this is your major product. See, look at here, this original carbon is comes to here because reaction take place 2 times, even times. Okay. Mechanism, you don't require mechanism in the exam, okay, but you may understand how this product is comes, therefore I have explained. Is it clear? Whenever reaction take place even time, then original carbon is joined, and whenever reaction take place odd time, then terminal carbon will be joined. Any doubt in this topic? Now what happens in this case? What is the product in this case? કઈ જગ્યાએ group લખશે and what is the product? સેમ કાર્બન જોઈન્ટ થશે કે પછી ટર્મિનલ? Where reaction first time take place? Am I audible?
સ્ટાર વગરનો જે કાર્બન છે એ જોઈન્ટ થશે કારણ કે બે વખત રિએક્શન છે.
આ 2 times છે. કયો કાર્બન જોઈન્ટ થયો?
સ્ટાર
ઓરિજિનલ કાર્બન જે ઓક્સિજન સાથે જોઈન્ટ થયો છે સ્ટાર વાળો. This is also 2 times. Which carbon is joined? ઓરિજિનલ કાર્બન બે કે સંખ્યા બે વખત રિએક્શન થતું હોય તો ઓરિજિનલ કાર્બન જોઈન્ટ થાય, તો મેં કીધું તમને ખાલી નક્કી જ કરવાનું છે રિએક્શન કેટલી વખત થશે. Where reaction takes place at first time? Direct પેરા પર ના થાય reaction. Reaction take place at ortho position. This is 3,3 sigma tropic 1 times. So terminal carbon is joint. Order time થાય તો terminal carbon joint થાય. but there is no orthohydrogen. So what happens? Reaction takes place second time. So reaction may take place second time because there is no terminal hydrogen. So what happens second times?
ઓરિજિનલ કાર્બન જોડે
Original carbon para position પર આવશે. But at para position again there is no hydrogen. Again there is no hydrogen. So what happens? Reaction may take place third time at side chain. So once again terminal carbon is joined. Bond between 3 and 4 will going to break. Sorry. So you may got product with terminal carbon. Here this group is joined CH2, double bond is converted to single bond. Again double bond CH2 star. Now see this is the proton which is available for tautomerism. So you are getting product with terminal carbon which is joining to the ring. So see here, look at here. Reaction which is take place 3 times. Whenever it is take place all the time, then which carbon will going to joint? Original or terminal?
ટર્મિનલ
Terminal carbon is joint here. See, look at here. સ્ટાર કાર્બન પાછળ જશે. તો કેટલી વખત રિએક્શન થાય છે એ રિકોગ્નાઇઝ કરવાનું. હંમેશા ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ રિએક્શન ટેક પ્લેસ એટ ઓર્થો, પછી પેરા પર જાય, પછી બરોબર છે, અથવા ઓર્થો પછી સાઇડ ચેન પર થાય, અથવા ઓર્થો પછી સાઇડ ચેન, ધેન પેરા, ધેન સાઇડ ચેન. સો ઓર્થો ધેન પેરા ધેન સાઇડ ચેન એ પણ પોસિબિલિટી છે, અથવા તો ઓર્થો. બરાબર, કેટલી ટાઈપ રિએક્શન થાય છે, સો દેટ ઇઝ વેરી વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. You can find that, and on the basis of that you can decide which product which is formed as a major product. Because see, this is simply 3 sigma topic, so you can have a new bond between 1 and 6, carbon number 1 and 6, and bond between 3 and 4 will going to break. This is simple fundamental principle, nothing else. Okay, so this is about you can say 3 sigma topic that is we have already taken in detail. Now next very important topic is electrocyclic reaction and cycloaddition. So before looking that, theoretical part is important. So certain theories are there, theories of pericyclic reaction. Among them, the first one is molecular orbital theory, FMO theory, Fouquet's frontier. Molecular orbital theory. This theory is also called FMO theory. Second very important theory is Woodward. Hoffman. Correlation diagram. Third one is Devar's perturbation molecular orbital theory. This is also called PMO. So see, these are the very important theory which will be helpful in finding the major product in pericyclic reaction. Among them, the first one is FMO theory. So see, in any pericyclic reaction, remember always FMO orbital may take part, nothing else. FMO, frontier molecular orbital, may take part in the reaction. Suppose two molecules may react in cycloaddition reaction. So one molecule used its highest occupied molecular orbital, and second molecule used it lowest unoccupied. So this is called FMO orbital. So in order to understand this, we take this very simple example of ethene. How many pi center is there? In the ethene, pi center are 1 pi bond છે pi center કહું છું જેટલા કાર્બન પર બોન્ડ હોય ને બધા pi center કહેવાય અથવા pi ઇલેક્ટ્રોન આવતો હોય એને pi center કહેવાય. pi center કેટલા છે? How many? Pi center.
1.
pi bond નથી કે તો pi center કહું છું.
સર કાર્બન કાર્બન વચ્ચે 1 સેન્ટર આવશે.
એમ નહીં એ સેન્ટર નહીં નોડ કે એન્ટીનોડ નથી પૂછતો. હું પાઈ સેન્ટર કહું છું એટલે પાઈ બોન્ડ જેટલા કાર્બન પર જોડાયેલો એને સેન્ટર કહેવાય. આ 1 અને 2 નંબર આપ્યા છે. માઇક બંધ કરી દેજો સાઈડમાં અવાજ આવે છે. તમારું માઇક જે છે ને ઓફ કરી દેજો. તમે છે ને એવી રીતે કંઈક વ્યવસ્થા થઈ શકે ને તો પોસિબલ બને તો જે અવાજ ઓછો હોય ને એવી જગ્યાએ શિફ્ટ થઈ જવું જેથી કરીને તમને કન્ટિન્યુટી રહે લેક્ચરમાં. સો સી અથવા ચેટ બોક્સમાં લખી નાખો. સો CH2 અને ડબલ બોન્ડ CH2 એટલે કાર્બન નંબર 1 and 2 બંને જે છે પાઈ સેન્ટર છે કારણ કે ત્યાં પાઈ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન આવે છે. સો there are 2 pi center. Number of nodes, total nodes find out કહેવાય. So see total nodes equal to n minus 1 where n is equal to number of pi center that is equal to 2. So total nodes are 2 minus 1 that is 1. So see here, so you are having 2 levels, 2 orbital levels are there. So first one is here, that is called, of course, pi electron are 2. These are the 2 levels. One is bonding, another is anti-bonding. Or you can say 2 pi electrons are there. So first level having C 0 node. 0 node means same structure draw કરવાનું. Suppose if you take upper lobe shaded, તો અહીંયા upper lobe shaded લેવાના બંને સરખા છે. So here there is 0 node between these two. Second having C 1 node. 1 node means opposite structure લેવાનો node આવતો આ બે વચ્ચે. અહીંયા એક node આવશે એટલે opposite structure આવતો. These are the 2 levels. Now first levels and second levels. This is called pi and this is antibonding is called pi star. Now there are 2 pi electron. So both occupied in pi. Pi star remains vacant. આમાં તો એક જ લેવલ છે એટલે ઓક્યુપાઈડ જ કહેવાય. પણ એક કરતા વધુ લેવલ ઓક્યુપાઈડ હોય તો હાઈએસ્ટ ઓક્યુપાઈડ કયું છે જોવું પડે. So this is we call HOMO. In reaction this is highest occupied molecular orbital and this is lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Whenever you are carry out reaction thermally, so this is take place. This is called thermally. Pi is HOMO and pi star is LUMO. But whenever reaction take place at photochemically, then one of the electron is excited from ground state to excited in this way. And this become HOMO. There is no LUMO. Okay, so this is called, you can say, different level. Now, 2 type of symmetry is there. We recognize that also. One is mirror plane symmetry. Another is C2 axis symmetry. See, in first case, what happens? First level is mirror plane symmetric or asymmetric? Yeah, it's a
Symmetry.
Good. Mirror plane symmetric first level. बच्चे mirror મૂકી દેશો તો એ symmetric આવશે. And those level which is mirror plane symmetric, it is always C2 axis asymmetric. You can put here mirror. There is a plane of symmetry. See, look at here. So symmetric. Second level is mirror plane asymmetric. You cannot take plane here. Mirror image નથી મળતી. એક બાજુ shaded part છે, બીજી બાજુ unshaded. What's about C2 axis? Means give rotation at 180. એટલે આ 1 નંબર છે એ 2 નંબર પર આવશે. 2 નંબર 3 નંબર પર. એટલે ઉપરના બંને shaded છે કઈ જગ્યાએ આવશે? નીચે આવશે. આ બધું C2 axis તમારી બાજુ લેવાની. C2 axis which is on your side. This is C2 axis. 180 રોટેશન આપશો એટલે ઉપરની બાજુનો કાર્બન જે લેફ્ટ સાઈડ છે એ નીચેની બાજુ રાઈટ સાઈડ આવી જશે. રાઈટ સાઈડ નીચે shaded portion નથી. So you are not getting symmetrical structure. So C2 axis is asymmetric. In this case, what happens? Is it C2 axis symmetric or asymmetric? Is it symmetric?
સેન્ટ્રલ ઓફ પ્લેન મળશે ને એમાં.
પ્લેન ક્યાંથી આવશે? સેન્ટર ઓફ ઇન્વર્ઝન લખ્યા જ નથી મેં. કાં તો પ્લેન ચેક કરવાનું અથવા C2 axis. C2 axis એટલે 180 એ મોલિક્યુલને ફેરવવાનો. 180 એ ફેરવો એટલે શેડેડ પાર્ટ શેડેડ ની જગ્યાએ આવે, અનશેડેડ અનશેડેડ ની જગ્યાએ આવે તો એને સિમેટ્રિક કહેવાય. અને એવું ન થતું હોય તો અનસિમેટ્રિકલ કહેવાય. મિરર પ્લેન એટલે મિરર ઇમેજ ચેક કરવાની. જમણી બાજુ જેવો પાર્ટ છે એવો લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ રિફ્લેક્ટ થાય છે? યસ ઓર નો?
યસ.
અહીંયા શેડેડ પાર્ટ છે રાઈટ લેફ્ટ સાઈડ. આવું જ સ્ટ્રક્ચર છે રાઈટ સાઈડ?
નો સર.
તો પછી મિરર પ્લેન ક્યાંથી લેવાય?
સર ફર્સ્ટમાં બોલી હું તો.
ફર્સ્ટ ને સેકન્ડ માટે. ફર્સ્ટ તો આપણે લખી દીધું ને સિમેટ્રિક એસિમેટ્રિક. ચાલો સેકન્ડમાં C2 axis
એસિમેટ્રી ને સિમેટ્રી આવશે.
સિમેટ્રી આવશે. ઉપર શેડેડ પોર્શન છે રેડ કલર, એ નીચે રેડ કલરની જગ્યાએ આવશે. આ રાઈટ સાઈડ વાળો અનશેડેડ છે, લેફ્ટ સાઈડ અનશેડેડ ની જગ્યાએ આવશે. So it's a C2 axis symmetry. So always see in photochemical reaction this is used as HOMO. Pi star is used as HOMO and pi is used, pi does not use. But in thermal reaction pi is used as HOMO. This is thermal. Pi is used as highest occupied molecular orbital because this is energy axis. જેની એનર્જી વધારે હોય એને HOMO કહેવાય, ઓછી હોય એને LUMO. ભરેલી હોય તો, ખાલી હોય તો એને લોવેસ્ટ અનઓક્યુપાઈડ કહેવાય, ઓછી એનર્જી હોય તો, વધારે હોય તો હાઈએસ્ટ અનઓક્યુપાઈડ કહેવાય HUMO. આ કેસમાં તો એક જ બેજ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન છે, so there is no question mark for lowest orbital. But if you take example of butadiene, so how many pi center are there in butadiene?
4.
4 pi center is there in butadiene. So 4 pi center is there. So how many levels are there? 4 pi levels are there. Okay, 4 pi centers are there. Now pi electron are also 4. So how many total nodes? Is equal to n minus 1 formula. N is equal to number of pi center. How many pi center are there? So how many nodes are there? 3 નોડ આવશે. So see, this is energy axis. Now you can have a 4 level, 2 bonding levels, 2 non-bonding levels. This is called psi 1. Psi 2. Psi 3. Psi 4. Now in the first level there is 0 node. The node always take in the center. Node ને તમારે બને ત્યાં સુધી સેન્ટરમાં અને સિમેટ્રિક વેથી લેવાનું. First level there is 0 node. There is 0 node. There is no node. In the second level there is 1 node. In the third level there is 2 node. And here 3 node. Maximum 3 node. Now first level માં 0 node છે, that means you can draw structure as it is. Whatever is there, you can draw as it is. In the second level, there is 1 node. તો એને અહીંયા મિડલમાં લેવાનો આ રીતે. અહીંયા મિડલમાં નોડ જોઈએ છે એટલે આ બંને અપોઝિટ ડ્રો કરવું પડે. So there is 1 node. ચાલો કાર્બન 1 અને 2 ના વચ્ચે નોડ નથી જતો એટલે આના જેવું સ્ટ્રક્ચર અહીંયા. Opposite structure હોય તો node ગણે. આપણે see we does not require node between 1 and 2, so we have written same structure. Here also same structure. Then next 2 node છે તો એક અહીંયા લઈએ 1 પર અને એક અહીંયા. અહીંયા મિડલમાં નોડની જરૂર નથી. So as it is structure, here required 1 node, so upper part is shaded. Opposite draw કરવાના. ચાલો અહીંયા 3 નોડ જોઈએ છે. Where we take this node? We require 3 nodes. કઈ જગ્યાએ લેશો?
1 થી 2 થી 3 3 થી 4
દરેક જગ્યાએ બરાબર ને? દરેક પોઈન્ટ વચ્ચે
1 થી 2 2 થી 3 3 થી 4.
હા, એટલે આ રીતે લેવાનું. So you can draw alternate structure. આ રીતે સ્ટ્રક્ચર ડ્રો કરશો, so there is a 1 node between 1 and 2. Here you does not required any node. So here you required 1 node, so you draw opposite structure. Here also opposite structure. So there is 3 node. Now if you carry out reaction thermally, then 4 electrons are there, 2 occupied in psi 1 and 2 occupied in psi 2. Psi 3 and psi 4 remains vacant. So this is called highest occupied molecular orbital, HOMO. This is lowest occupied molecular orbital, LOMO. This is psi 3 is lowest but unoccupied molecular orbital. This is highest unoccupied molecular orbital. So in the reaction, these two orbitals can take part. This is called FMO orbital, frontier molecular orbital. One molecule with highest occupied orbital and second one with lowest unoccupied orbital. So this is called FMO orbitals for thermal reaction. What happens if you carry out reaction photochemically? One of the electron gets excited from psi2 to is excited for level ma psi3 ma. So now which one is HOMO? In photochemical reaction, which one is HOMO? Psi3. This is LUMO. This is called FMO orbital for photochemical reaction. Now if you take two type of symmetry, mirror plane and C2 axis symmetry, then first level is mirror plane symmetric, second level is asymmetric. What's about third level? सेंटर में मिरर મૂકીને ચેક કરો બે સરખા ભાગ પડે છે કે નહીં.
Symmetric.
Symmetric.
Symmetry.
What level?
Asymmetry.
What's about C2 axis? First level.
Asymmetric.
Asymmetric. Second level.
Symmetric.
Symmetry.
Third.
Asymmetry.
Asymmetric.
Fourth. Symmetric. In this way, see also this orbital is called FMO and this is LUMO. These two are called FMO. HOMO and LUMO is combinedly called FMO orbital. This will take part in the reaction. How many pi center are there in hexatriene? કેટલા છે pi center?
6 આવશે.
તો nodes કેટલા આવશે?
5.
Total level કેટલા આવશે if you draw the diagram? How many levels are there?
5.
5 level આવે. Butadiene માં કેટલા levels હતા? Butadiene માં butadiene માં કેટલા level હતા? 4 pi center હતા તો 4 હતા તો આમાં કેટલા આવે?
6 આવશે.
There are 6 levels. first level there is 0 node. This is called psi 1. This is psi 2, psi 3. This is psi 4, 5, and 6. In the first level there is 0 node. Second level having 1 node, 2 node, 3 node, 4, and 5. This is generally called non-bonding. Here also see this is non-bonding. This is anti-bonding. This is bonding molecular orbital. Similar here, see one is anti-bonding, another is bonding. Now here, this is a non-bonding line. Now in first level, there is 0 node. So you can draw structure as it is. Where is second level? Where is 1 node? Node હંમેશા કઈ જગ્યાએ લેવાનો સેન્ટરમાં ટ્રાય કરવાનો. કઈ જગ્યાએ લેશો આપણે? Which carbon between which?
3, 4 ની વચ્ચે.
અહીંયા લેશો. So this is 1 node. Okay. So you can see take here upper portion shaded. This is lower portion shaded. See in third level there is 2 node. તો સેન્ટર થી આમ દૂર જવાનું. હવે વચ્ચેનું છોડી દેવાનું. અહીંયા 2 અને 3 વચ્ચે એક અને 4 અને 5 વચ્ચે એક. આ રીતે. So અહીંયા બે વચ્ચે નોડ નથી જોતો એટલે સેમ સ્ટ્રક્ચર. Here you require node. See. So opposite structure. પર એ નોડ નથી જોતો એટલે સેમ સ્ટ્રક્ચર. But here you require node so opposite. અહીંયા નોડ નથી જોતો એટલે સેમ સ્ટ્રક્ચર. ચાલો પછી આવશે 3 નોડ એટલે 1 અને 2. ફરી આ બે વચ્ચે ને આ બે વચ્ચે આ રીતે સિમેટ્રિકલ. અહીંયા અપોઝિટ ડ્રો કરવાનું. અહીંયા સેમ સ્ટ્રક્ચર અપોઝિટ. અગેન અહીંયા નોડની જરૂર નથી એટલે સેમ સ્ટ્રક્ચર. Here you need a 4 node. So you can take here between 1 and 2 and this last 2. વચ્ચે નોડની જરૂર નથી એટલે સેમ સ્ટ્રક્ચર. And here you required 5 node maximum node, so you can take node between all the carbon atoms. So here there is 2 electron in psi 1, psi 2 having 2, and here 2. 6 electrons are there. So these are the vacant. So this is called HOMO for thermal reaction. This is LUMO. And these two are combinedly called FM. But if you talk about photochemical reaction, one of the electron gets excited from psi 1 to psi 4, psi 3 to psi 4. So now psi 4 become HOMO, and this is LUMO. Okay, so this is the way to predict orbital. Now what's about mirror plane symmetry? First level.
Symmetric.
First level is mirror plane symmetric. Second one is asymmetric. Third one is mirror muko symmetric. Also, બે બાજુ સરખી છે. Fourth one is
Asymmetric.
fifth one is
Symmetric.
and asymmetric. C2 axis, first one,
Asymmetric.
second,
Symmetric. Asymmetric.
third one is asymmetric, again symmetric,
Asymmetric.
and
Symmetric.
so in this way, this is a hexatriene. So whenever you are carry out any reaction, then always FM orbital may take part in the reaction. One molecule with highest occupied orbital and second one with lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. This will take part in the reaction. So these are the FMO theory which predict which one involved in the bond formation or which one. Sometimes the allylic system is also there. So tomorrow we check allylic system. How in the allylic system, which type of orbital may take part? Because there are three allylic system, cations, anion, and radical. So we will take it in with a FMO diagram. So thank you very much. We stop here.